Well, you may or may not have seen previous videos with forest fires taking place. This one, sadly, is in McDavid Trace, Bobby? Yeah, in Lupino, Surrey Village. And well, you can see, with intentions are slash and burn agriculture, this technique is very devastating. This tree here fell down, it broke here, and some of the consequences of these fires. We have Mr. Shafir Singh from Forestry here too with me. These, I believe, are baby woodpeckers, right? Yeah. How sad is this? And this tree right now is on fire, burning hot. So I can imagine the pain that these going through, but we're not going to leave them there. As you can see, they're active still. They're probably very hungry. And from the impact, I hope none is damaged, and we could see if we could get this to a rehab center or wildlife section or something. Alright, so just saying, stop the forest fires. It's very, very sickening. Very sickening. And we gotta risk ourselves outside here all the time. Alright guys, we'll give you an update on what happens to these. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Alright. Move on out. Barely moving. Oh, we'll put it on something better just now. This place hot, boy. Although I'll carry the eggshells in case we need to identify it. Since it's the wrong species, you know, I'm no expert. Good size eggshell though. Right, so I feel in this heat, so imagine what they're going through. And we can see all of them still fairly moving. I don't know if it's possible to still take care of them. Maybe people have their ways, right? But we'll get the proper professional help hopefully by this afternoon. Alright, so again, we urging you guys, stop the forest fires. Begging you, stop it. Move on out. Alright, so we actually got a nice box to put them in here. That's not why you open them up. Go ahead. Alright, and thanks to these people. This is Shirley's on them and Lupino. Shirley's, very good. For donating this box at last request. Alright. Nice, thank you very much, Ruby. Alright, it should be in a gear there now. Off to some, let's see. The 4 rescued baby woodpeckers were eventually carried to the Emperor Valley Zoo, where they were all inspected by the vet present there. They responded to the feeding and were quite active. These birds will require constant care, and you all will be updated on their health and well-being as time progresses. I hope that this video sets an impression on everyone's mind on the destructive nature of forest fires. So let's all prevent forest fires.